Good morning, student. Today we will go through the topic law of contracts from chapter 2, unit 2nd. Okay, the introduction is here. The Indian Legal Contract Act 1872 came into force on 1st September 1872. And what is various objective to make this law? To make certain type that promises made by the parties to the contract are legally binding. कोई भी पार्टी अगर कॉमिक प्रॉमिस करती है तो दैट पार्टीज मस्ट बी लीगली बाउंड टू कंप्लीट दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो दैट प्रॉमिस विल बी केम अंडर द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट. दिस एक्ट एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम to all states except Jammu and Kashmir. Commonly it was referred to the mercantile law of India. Okay, mercantile law कहलाता है ये इंडिया का. Nextly, the definition of the Contract Act: an agreement enforceable by law. Okay, means agreement plus enforceability by law becomes contract. Agreement means somebody doing the agreement, and that agreement must be legally done with the law. So that agreement become a contract. Third, agreement must create a legal obligation or duty. That agreement must be having some duty. मुझे कुछ करना है, आपको उसके रिवेंज में मुझे अमाउंट देना है, या मुझे आपको उसके रिवेंज में अमाउंट देना है, तो agreement must contain some duty. And agreement defines under section 2E of the Contract Act that every promise or every set of promise forming consideration for each other are known as agreement. Means कोई भी promise, every type of promise or set of promise, but it must having a consideration to each other. Next is social agreement will be there to become a contract, and last, legal agreement are contract only. Means law topic must be included in that contract, then that contract become a agreement become a contract. Nextly, essential elements to become a valid contract. So first of all, there must be an offer and acceptance of the party. Offer, one person offer the party that to do the contract, another person is accepting that offer. Next, what are your intention to do that contract? Legal obligation ही होना चाहिए. Legal contract must be there. Intention, what are the intention behind to make that contract? Lawful consideration must be smuggling या loot, डकैती. This type of consideration will not be allowed to become a valid contract. Lawful होना चाहिए. Capacity means competence होना चाहिए. Above 18 years must be there. Not disqualified by law, that will be there. Free होना चाहिए. Free consent must be there. Lawful object, that agreement must be done for a lawful object. Agreement not expressly declared void. Next is certainly possibility performance. Last one, legal formalities. If any legal formalities were there, that must be according to the court or according to the law. Means possible